Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and open a vault in Monopoly Go. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For that matter, the very first step would be for you to simply access your Monopoly Go on your mobile phone and simply open it up, and afterwards you're gonna find this kind of interface right over here, right? So if you would like to open a vault, the first thing you have to do is you're going to tap on this option called album just right over here, and you can see when you try to tap on this album we have to reach 15 to unlock. We have to reach complete that, right? So we're gonna start and play till we have completed the 15 of those. Once we have got it, we will be able to access our albums, which will unleash all of the vaults, and by the each of the vaults you will have to complete a particular task of yours so you can get it. So you can see now we do not have any of the stickers for us. When we complete this 15 stickers, we will access this album, then we will have a vault. So mainly there will be 3 or 4 vaults for you to access from, and each vault will require for you to complete a certain level of games stages and and get the certain stickers for you to access for. Once you have done so, you can go to this events section and simply see out if there are any more other events for you to do. Once you have completed in the events as well, you will be able to access all of the vaults that are available. So that is basically the process for you to do. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.